Hello everyone! Do you want the fastest Linux for gaming? Today we're comparing two speed demons, CachyOS and Garuda Linux. Both are on Arch, both promise amazing performance, so which one should you pick? Let's find out. First up, CachyOS. This is the new kid making waves. It's designed for pure speed. CachyOS uses something called the Bohr scheduler, which makes your system super responsive. All packages are built with special instructions for modern chips. This means if you have a newer computer, you'll get better performance right out of the gate. CachyOS gives you tons of desktop choices. Want KDE, GNOME, even cool ones like Hyperland or Cosmic? They've got it all. The installer is clean and simple. For gamers, there's a one-click button that installs Steam, Lutris, and everything you need. It also comes with Cachy Browser, which is like Firefox but with extra privacy features. Now, let's talk Garuda. This one has been around and looks absolutely stunning. Garuda uses the Zen kernel, which is tuned for low delay and smooth gaming. It has flashy effects and a beautiful KDE setup by default. The best part about Garuda, automatic snapshots. If something breaks, you can roll back in seconds. It uses a system called BTRFS with built-in backups. Garuda also includes tools like Game Mode that boosts your system when you launch games. Plus, it has ZRAM, which keeps your system fast even with less memory. Garuda comes loaded with helpful tools. The Garuda Assistant lets you manage everything with clicks, no typing needed. It's more user-friendly for people new to Arch-based systems. Performance-wise, CachyOS is slightly faster on modern hardware because of how packages are built, and Garuda focuses more on stability and ease of use, but both handle games beautifully. So, which one wins? Pick CachyOS if you want maximum speed and have a modern computer. Pick Garuda if you want a pretty interface, automatic backups, and easier system management. Both are excellent. Try them both and see which feels right. That's it for today, guys. Drop your choice in the comments, and I'll see you next time.